Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. Learning English is our subject, and as a part of it, we will look into the details of idioms and phrases in this video. Idioms and phrases offer several advantages in communication. Nowadays, idioms and phrases are used in everyday speech, making them a natural part of communication. If you use idioms and phrases in appropriate context, it adds color, depth, and creativity to your language. They help to convey complex ideas and emotions correctly. By using idiomatic expressions, you can create a clear picture of an event and make your speech more engaging. Similarly, phrases also helps us to convey our message precisely. For example, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A simple sentence. What a depth in its meaning. Idioms and phrases generally have a poetic effect, making them more attractive and memorable. It adds a touch of creativity in your language. Idioms and phrases often have figurative or metaphorical meaning that go beyond their literal meaning. However, it is important to note that idiomatic expressions should be used judiciously and in right context. Misuse or overusing of idioms can make confusion. Now let us see some examples. Old bark, no bite. Meaning is that someone who boasts loudly but failed to take any follow-through action. Example: Ashok claimed he could beat anyone in a fight, but when confronted, he quickly surrendered. He is all bark and no bite. Second is on cloud nine, meaning being very happy. He has been on cloud nine ever since she agreed to marry him. Another example: easier said than done, meaning not as easy it appears to be. Losing weight is easier said than done. At the 11th hour means at the last moment. We only received the signatures at the 11th hour. These are the examples of idioms. Now we will look into phrases. All of a sudden means a thing happened unexpectedly or quickly. Example: we were enjoying our picnic. All of a sudden it started raining. Another example is Herculean task, meaning a work that is very difficult. Defeating China in trade is a Herculean task. Better late than never. Example: he bought a house at the age of 60 plus, but it is better late than never. Read between the lines, meaning to understand the underlying meaning. Example: if you read between the lines, it is clear that he is not happy with the present situation. Use of idioms and phrases in the right context will make your speech or writing more attractive and it lasts in the reader's mind for a long time. Moreover, it expands your word bank, means vocabulary. That's all in this video.